Think about who you are when you are completely alone with your own thoughts. No music in your ears, no scrolling, no videos playing in the background. Just you sitting in a quiet room. How long can you stay like that before you feel a sudden anxious itch to reach for your phone back again? 30 seconds? 1 minute? We think we are just bored, but the truth is much scarier. We have become a generation that is terrified of our own minds. And because we feed our minds quick, cheap burst of dopamine, something quiet is happening to you right now. Your actual personality is fading away. You aren't as witty as you used to be. Your attention span is fractured. Your ability to have a deep, engaging conversation is shrinking. You have become a passive observer of other people's life instead of living your own. Today, we aren't just talking about digital detox. We are talking about saving our identity because cheap dopamine isn't just wasting your time, it is actively destroying who you are. Let's look at how this happens because it's subtle. Personality isn't something that you're just born with and stays the same forever. Your personality is built by what you pay attention to. It is shaped by deep reading, long walks, hobbies that take hours to master, and long uninterrupted conversation with your friends. All of those things require patience. They require your brain to work for its reward. But modern algorithms have cracked the code to your brain. Every time you scroll or watch a reel for 15 seconds, your brain gets a massive spike of dopamine. It's fast, it's free, and it requires zero efforts. Here's the tragedy. Your brain adapts to this high level of stimulation. Suddenly, real life feels incredibly boring. Have you noticed how hard it has become to sit through a 2-hour movie now without checking your phone? Have you noticed how hard it has become to listen to a friend telling a story without your mind wandering off? When real life becomes boring, your personality goes flat. You stop developing unique opinions because you are too busy consuming others. You stop creating because consuming is easier. The original you is replaced by an algorithm driven ghost that reacts to stimuli. Since we talk a lot about communication skills on this channel, let's discuss how this destroys your social skills. Great communication requires presence. It requires someone to look in the eye, reading their body language, and actually listening to what they are saying, not just waiting for your turn to speak. But when your brain is starving for dopamine, you become restless. You find yourself cutting people off. You feel an internal restlessness during a conversation. You become a social chameleon. You simply nod, say, yeah, cool, and mentally check out. Because the human in front of you who's talking isn't moving as fast as a TikTok or a reel. People can feel that. They can feel when you are physically present but mentally miles away, craving your next digital hit. Cheap dopamine makes us lonely and makes us incredibly boring to talk to because we lose our conversational depth. Now, if you have watched this far into the video, congratulations. Seriously, your attention span is actually stronger than the 80% of the population. But I didn't make this video to scare you or make you throw your phone into a river. We live in a modern world. We need to use technology. So how do you get your personality back? So how do you become vibrant, focused, and charismatic personality again? Right now, you are operating on consumption dopamine, getting a reward for doing nothing. You need to switch to creation dopamine, getting a reward for overcoming an obstacle. Starting today, I want you to practice the 20-minute gap. When you wake up in the morning, do not touch your phone for the first 20 minutes. Let your brain wake up to reality, not the screen. When you sit down to eat a meal, do not put a video on. Just eat. Taste the food. Let your mind wander. At first, your brain will scream at you. It will feel uncomfortable. But that discomfort, that is your attention span healing. That is your imagination coming back to life. In a world where everyone is distracted, someone who can focus, deeply listen, and can hold a compelling conversation is no less than a superpower. Focus is the ultimate competitive advantage of 2026. By reclaiming your focus from these apps, you aren't just getting your time back, you are getting yourself back. You will become more creative, a sharper communicator, and a far more interesting human being. Take control of your brain before the algorithm does it for you. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. And I seriously want to hear it from you. What is that one app that is draining most of your dopamine every day? Let's talk about it below. And make sure to subscribe to Ravi Patidar Speaks for more honest conversations on personal development and communication skills. Put your phone down after this video, go touch some grass, and I'll see you in the next one.